Albert Einstein once said, the only source of knowledge is experience. But what does that really mean? Think about it. The world where there's no teacher to tell us what to do, no written clues to tell us what's right or wrong. It's just a real life moments that force us to grow wherever we're ready or not. In those moments, we learn more than any textbook can offer. We learn how to adapt, how to fall and try again, how to understand not just the world, but ourselves. Here, in this place of learning, we're given tools. Teacher, lesson, guidance, structure. But tools means nothing if we not take them into the real world. So when Einstein said that the only source of knowledge is experience, he reminds us of something powerful, that true learning doesn't stop when the bell rings. It continues out there. Hello everyone, my name is Josephine. I'm a student at Polytechnic Pelayaran Malahayati, Aceh. Today I want to tell you about something important, that real learning goes far beyond the page of any book. Ladies and gentlemen, my respected judges, why I chose this topic. As a young person, I may not have as much experience as many of you, but I have learned a valuable lesson. My journey began when I entered senior high school. I decided to join in my city basketball club. I was given the role of pointer, the player who was responsible to coordinating teams during games. At the first place, it may seem insignificant to join in basketball club. However, for me, it marked a turning point. I also had chance to compete with other cities' team, which helped me to expand my social network and build confidence. I realized that basketball club teach me lessons: leadership, teamwork, and strategic thinking. After my journey with basketball, I dared myself to join Paskibraka. I am grateful to say that I was selected to serve as a flag bearer. Through Paskibraka, I learned so much that the flag is not just a piece of cloth. It's a symbol of sacrifice, unity, and struggle. As time passed, my social environment expanded. In 2022, I was honored when they asked me to represent my city as a flower princess model in West Sumatra Festival Anniversary in Padang. In West Sumatra, I met a lot of people, which means a lot of region, a lot of backgrounds, a lot of culture. These things I thought I could learn from the book, but I realized that what I read I may forget, but what I feel I will always remember. For so long, many of us believe that learning only happens in the classroom, through reading books, do counting, and exam. But true learning is take place everywhere and every time. The world itself is the greatest school, and every moment is a lesson. You must be thinking, so when are we gonna stop learning if the world is the school? Once I met an elderly man in the city park. He was 82 years old man who fluent in more than 10 languages. He said to me, "Don't assume me learn all these languages from dictionaries in classroom. I gained them from life, through experience." This short conversation remind me of something profound, that we will always learning until the day we take our last breath. So, learning is not limited by reading book. Book provide us knowledge, but life give us wisdom and opportunity. Had Isaac Newton only relied on what written in a book, he would never discover the law of gravity. Or had Mr. B.J. Habibi only relied what written in engineering book, he would never gone aboard to master the art building aircraft. Let's commit that learning just not only reading book, not only through pages, but also through challenge, through experience, and through courage to grow. Because true learning begins when we dare step beyond the book. That is all for me. Thank you very much for your kind attention. See you and keep learning.